Today I'm going to share how I make a wonderful, tasty jam using only 3 ingredients with no sugar, no preservatives, and absolutely no fillers. The only ingredients are mixed berries, or berries or fruit of your choice, and a quarter to half cup of a plant-based sweetener like monk fruit, and a quarter cup of chia seeds. The first step is to add 500 grams of the frozen mixed berries to a pan. Place them on the stove and begin warming them at a medium temperature. And once they begin to simmer, stir occasionally until they're ready to mash easily. Now I use frozen berries because they're always available and they're frozen at their peak freshness. Now after mashing, blend the berries to the consistency of your preference. After letting the berries cool for a while, add the quarter to half cup of the monk fruit or sweeten to your taste. Now I use a quarter cup because I like to have a bit of tartness. And make sure you mix the sweetener into the berries thoroughly. Next, add a quarter cup of the chia seeds as a thickening agent. Now, this also has the benefit of adding protein. And again, make sure you mix it in very well. Allow your jam to cool for a while and then pour it into a glass container. This will make 2 cups of jam. Continue to let your jam cool to room temperature and then place it in your fridge for when you're ready to enjoy. Or better yet, grab a cracker and enjoy some right now. Now while you're here, please like and share the video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.